So, in engineering drawing, how to draw an isometric drawing. How to draw the given isometric drawing. Total length 60, total breadth 50, total height 30. So first draw an isometric box as per the given dimensions. Draw a horizontal line. And draw a vertical line. Draw a 30-degree line. Draw a 30-degree line. So mark the distance 60 here. Length 60, breadth 50. So height is 30, length is marked here, breadth is in this line, height axis 60. From point O mark 60, from point B mark 50, from height axis mark 30, from point O draw 30. So draw the, so in this length axis, breadth axis and height axis. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. From the horizontal line, draw the 30 degree line and draw the 30 degree line left side. Then mark 60 mm in length axis from point O. Mark 50 mm in breadth axis from point B, from point O. Mark 30 mm in height axis from point O. Next, draw the parallel lines. Draw a 30-degree line here. Draw a 30-degree parallel line here. Draw the 30-degree line. So draw the 30-degree line here. This is required isometric box. This is required isometric box of length 60, breadth 50 and height 30. So from here mark 10. Draw the parallel line. This line. Draw the parallel isometric line. This line is, these are all isometric lines. These are all isometric lines. That is inclination of angle 30 degree. Draw the parallel line from this point. Projection. From here 10, mark 10. From here draw the parallel line. Draw the isometric line from this point. From this point, draw the vertical line. From this point, draw the isometric line. That is inclination of 30 degree parallel to this line. Parallel to this line. 30 degree. Here is the unwanted lines. From here mark 10. From the center. From here 25. From here mark 25. From there mark 10. From this point, this 25, this 10. 25 and 10. From this point, draw the vertical line. It is parallel to this line. From this point, draw the parallel to this line, draw the isometric line. This line. From this point, draw the isometric line parallel to this line. Left side isometric line. Mark 30. Join this line. Join these 2 points. From this point, draw the isometric line, isometric parallel line. Mark 10. Join these 2 points. This inclination. Join these 2 points. Then join this isometric line parallel to this extension of this line. That is isometric. It is an isometric line. Erase the unwanted lines. Erase the unwanted lines. Darken the required lines. Dark all the required lines. These are all isometric lines. Right side 30-degree inclination and the left side 30-degree inclination to horizontal plane. These two are isometric lines. This one is perpendicular line. There are 3 lines. One is 30-degree, another one is 30-degree left side, and another one is perpendicular line. So an isometric box என்பது 3 ஆக்சிஸ்களை கொண்டது. 30 degree right side, 30 degree left side, and a perpendicular line, that is 90-degree line. It consists of 3 axes: length axis, breadth axis, and height axis. This is the required isometric box, isometric drawing. So first draw the three axes as per the given dimensions: length 60, breadth 50, and height 30. Draw the three axis lines. From this line, draw the isometric box. First, draw the isometric box. From this, draw the given drawing. And finally, mark the dimensions from here. Like this height is 30. And mark all the dimensions. This one is 25.